a bunch of people and you are engaged in a specific activity and you don't want to use your phone, or as a group you do not want to use your phone, then what you can do is phone stacking. So with phone stacking, you gather all the mobile phones, you put them somewhere, and then the idea is not to touch your phone. But the first person who's going to touch his or her phone has to, for example, pay for lunch when you're in a restaurant, or has to pay for something where you're outside and you're having a drink or something. Or when you're home, you can think of a punishment when the first person touches his or her phone. Could be donating 10 euros to a specific cause, for example, or get the drinks or get the food in the kitchen, something. You want for specific punishment to happen when that first person takes his or her phone. It's kind of a game, so it doesn't need to be something very serious when I talk about punishment. But for example, this really works well when you're outside and you're in a bar or you're in a restaurant, and you all as a group you don't want to touch your phone. Then as a punishment, you can let the first person who touches his or her phone to pay for the lunch, of entire lunch of every single person, for example, as a punishment. So phone stacking, wherever you are, in a group or in a family, with family, and you all agree on the fact that you don't want to use your phone, phone stack, gather all your phones, and just think of a specific punishment that happens to the first person who touches his or her phone.